Okay, I got you. Good. It's gonna fall. Okay, here we go. See, there you go.
So can Daddy help you?
You're falling. See, I have to hold you up.
Okay.
I think the gloves are too big.
That's okay.
Oh man, where's the glove?
I just didn't have it on.
Okay. Oh, Mommy gave up too? Is all this 10 fingers in one?
Dad's got to help me. You gotta help me, Dad.
Let me helping you, son. Okay, let's go.